What's up, guys? It's Stockwell Big here, and this is aluminium laptop holder. Let's unbox the aluminium. This aluminium laptop holder come with a box and this bag with the aluminium itself. With the box, they put it inside, and this bag. The box, I've actually lost the box because I've been using this laptop holder since. Let's unbox it. This laptop holder, the features that this aluminum laptop holder have that will be useful for you if you have like a low budget money, that if you want to buy it, is let's dive right into the video. This laptop holder, you can actually expand it. That means that it's not that straight like this, and it is very portable if you want to be carrying it around. No need for you don't have space in your bag to put it. It is very portable with a small, and it comes up with a bag. You can put it inside. If you don't want to put inside the bag, you can actually put it inside your bag. The laptop, what I like about it is that it have an expand features. That means that you can expand the aluminum laptop holder like this. With the expanding, you have so much space so that you can hold your laptop. The thing I also like about this laptop holder is that you have some, let's say, some level of holding the laptop. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's call it level. Let's call this one level. Let's say level 1 to level 6. Level 1 to level 6. If you want to put it in level 1, that one is the lowest level in the laptop holder. Let's put it in level 1. If you put it inside the level 1, the laptop, you hold the laptop, but let's say the keyboard will come up small, and the screen will not move to your face that much. But if you want your full features for the screen to show very well in your face, you can actually put it in level 6, and that one is the baddest level that I also like using. Sometimes I always use level 3 or level 4. Let's put this in level 6, that you will get what I'm actually saying about this laptop holder. You see, I've put it in level 6, and if you put your laptop here, the screen will show to your face very well, and you have some features that you will like about this laptop holder. This laptop holder, if you search aluminium laptop holder, they actually bring some bunch of laptop holder for you. And if you don't have so much money and it always prevents your back from having some bad back issues. But if you don't want to have bad issues and want to be using laptop holder, you can actually use this laptop holder, and it will give you so much convenience if you are pressing your laptop and working with your project. You can search aluminium laptop holder, and you get some bunch of laptop holder that is very in low budget. It's aluminium, not that expensive. If you want to buy some expensive gears, you can actually get this aluminium laptop holder. If you see this video helpful, please kindly subscribe, follow, and share. And this channel is about tech devices, and if you want to watch some of our video, you can actually watch it. Subscribe, follow, and share. Thank you.